Hi, I'm your dude. No, I'm doing a react video with my dog. So technically, where is she? Technically, I'm not alone, but she's just too exhausted to do anything. And I mean anything. But I am reacting to really okay. One day ringtone. I'm not really that excited, but for all you directioners out there, you should be. Where is it? Wrong one. Don't click that one. Just waiting.
Hi, we're One Direction. This is the most annoying ringtone ever. Hi, we're One Direction. Someone's calling you. Answer your phone. Unless you don't like them, then you can just pretend that you didn't hear me. Which I would never do to anyone because that would be mean. Unless they swear. Hi, we're One Direction. Whoa, you're popular. Someone's calling you. Pick up your phone. Come on, I'm a busy guy. I can't hang around inside your phone doing ringtones all day. Answer it. Hi, we're One Direction. Answer your phone. You're annoying everybody now. Answer your phone. Pick up. Pick it up. Pick it up now. Get it. Hi, we're One Direction. You gotta help me. I'm stuck inside your phone. Answer it to set me free. Hurry. It's stuck being here.
Okay. Okay, now I'm reacting to something else. Top 10 funniest ringtones. Okay.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, and leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for calling.
Why won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone. What, do you think you're just not going to answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little... Why won't you answer me? I'm not going to ring forever, pal. And when I'm done ringing, that's it. You can say goodbye. Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how dad has gotten fat. Well, I picked up. Don't pick up the phone. She's your mom. Don't pick.
Oh god, that's creepy. I'm creeped out now. Extremely. Not again. Go.
Aquí te traje tu lechito. Chupa.
Alright, that was different. Well, I leave you to think about that baby rap.